I got my first Fiverr affiliate commission when I stopped promoting it. Now I am inside my dashboard of Fiverr affiliate where you can see that I got a commission of $30. I'm just refreshing it for you. And you can see it is $30 and also balance is showing here $30. But recently I get no clicks, no conversion, nothing. I was promoting it around 3 months back. So let's check from last 3 months. Here you can see that there I got 59 impression and 4 registration and 1 conversion. I get this conversion after 3 months, and there are something showing CTR. It's showing something wrong, I feel, because CTR is showing like 489. Why it is showing like that, I don't know. But the data, this data is right. 59 impression and 4 registration. Among these 4 registration, I got 1 conversion, and that is $30. And on the last 3 months, I stopped promoting this Fiverr affiliate, and I was busy with some other networks like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Clickbank. And suddenly I received an email that you got your first conversion on Fiverr affiliate. I'm showing you, this is the email I have received. Congratulations, you have referred your first FTB. Well done, you have succeeded referring your very first time buyer on Fiverr. So how I have made this promotion and how I have made these registrations. The key thing is, after registration also, if somebody don't buy anything, don't be motivated. That person may buy your product after 3 months, after 6 months, or even after a year. If the person done a registration through your affiliate link, then you will get commission whenever that person buys something from Fiverr. Here is my website, highqualitylead.net. So in this website I have written a blog post about best Fiverr freelancing services. There are, I have mentioned 27 best freelancing services on Fiverr, like whiteboard and animated video making, booking and ebook writing. Like that, I have given 27 major services on Fiverr, and I have given all call to action button, like 27 call to action here, like click here and visit Fiverr for any pro services, contact Fiverr freelancers for your illustration services, and first is find whiteboard and animated video makers on Fiverr. So this way I have put 27 call to action button in this review page. So there is a major chance, if somebody come to this review page, there is a high chance of clicking my affiliate link if somebody come to this page. And this is the Fiverr affiliate page. I will not show you how to log in and how to join as an affiliate. You are aware of those things, and that is very much easy. Just go to Fiverr and create your free account. Create your free affiliate account, not normal account. Create your free affiliate account, and inside your free affiliate account you can see that what are the commissions. Like as a pro service, if somebody purchase you will get $150 commission. If these services like industrial product design, data science, mobile app, for $50 you will get $40 for these services and $30 for these services and $20 for the rest of the services, and for other categories $15. So these are the commissions plan they are having. So I promoted the way through my blog only, and I write a blog and I promote my this blog page through Google Ads, and also I have made few free methods like Pinterest, Facebook and Instagram. I have done few free methods and I have made few Google ads also. So why I am creating this video today, that to motivating you on the Fiverr affiliate. This is a very good platform from where you can earn money, but initially if you got the registrations only, then don't be motivated. If you got the registration, and those registrations will come as a sale after 3 months, 4 months, or even after a year. That is happening with me, and that happens with me, and I got one sale with the Fiverr affiliate. That is the reason I am planning to start again my promotion on affiliate marketing on the Fiverr affiliates. So you can also start with that, join with as a Fiverr affiliate and start your Fiverr affiliate promotion. So how you will get these links? The most important part is how you will get these links. Like I am creating here whiteboard and animated video making. I have given this find whiteboard animated. If somebody click on this link, that person will be redirected to the whiteboard and animated video makers page. So you have to get your deep link from the Fiverr affiliate. I'm showing that. Like if you are inside the Fiverr, simply type here whiteboard and animated video making. This is not the Fiverr affiliate page, this is normal Fiverr page, and here you will get all the whiteboard animated video making page. And this is your link of normal link. This is not your affiliate link. You just need to copy this one and come to your Fiverr affiliate dashboard, and where you have to go marketing tools, and here it is default and deep links, and you just click here and paste the link and enter, and this is the link you are getting. This link, this is the link your affiliate link of deep link. When you copy this page, copy this link, and you open in a new browser, you will find the same page what I have shown you as a whiteboard and animated video making. The same page is opening, but as an affiliate page of mine. So you also do the same thing. Go to the Fiverr and go to that particular page, that page you want to promote as a deep link, and create your own affiliate link and insert this here. Here you insert this, and the same like book and book, ebook, and graphic and designing, architecture and interior work, programming and technical game development, website. Like I'm showing another thing, website building and CMS services. So copy it, come to Fiverr and paste here and search, and you will come to website building and CMS services page, and just copy this page, this link, and come to your dashboard and Here you put the link and press enter, you will get your affiliate link, and you have to put this link inside this button, find website building and CMS services on Fiverr. Like that way I have made 27 major services inside my review page, and there is a major chance if somebody comes to this page, there is a chance to they click on your affiliate link, because there are 27 call to actions are there. So you can also do like the same way, and you can use free method and also the paid method. I like paid method very much. You can use Google search ads for that. I will show that if you want. I will create a new video for that, how to use affiliate Fiverr affiliate for as a Google ad, how you can promote by Google ad the Fiverr affiliate, that I will do. And the free method, you already know that Pinterest is a major platform. You can interest Pinterest or Facebook groups and Instagram also, those things. So these are the things I want to mention there, that you if you put more call to action button in your review page, there are major chance or maximum chance of getting clicks on your affiliate links. So that's all today. If you like this video, definitely hit the like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. If sometimes I publish a new video, you will be get notified instantly. So that's all today. And if you want to know more about affiliate marketing and blogging, definitely visit my website highqualitylead.net, where I have written lot of blog posts on affiliate marketing and blogging, like 11 important blogging tips. Start your online business today with zero audiences, retargeting your audience through Facebook retargeting ads, like that. I have written lot of articles inside there. If you want to learn, you can definitely visit this. So that's all today. Bye bye.